Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and this is just to remind everybody of a new version of Firefox for security updates. Of course, if you want to know more about the features, you can go to my Windows and Computer channel. There I talk about some of the features. Here we concentrate on just announcing that there are some security fixes in the Firefox browser for the new version today. We are Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. Lots of high-profile security vulnerabilities that are here, which means that they could easily be exploited. So this is very important to fix. Lots of moderate ones also. Moderate is not as bad because you often need to do a little more to be able to exploit this. But sometimes they can be together. You can have a high security vulnerability that is actually exploited, and that can then use and elevate the privileges of other security flaws. So lots of security fixes, and it's important to keep up to date. We often talk about security, about how your web browser and the software you use and your operating system being up to date to the latest security updates is very important. So if you want to know if you have the latest updates, simply go on Firefox in upper right corner in the hamburger menu, go down into Help. Here you'll go into About Firefox, and you will be pushed to version 86 if you're not already. Some of you might already be there. You might have used Firefox and noticed that there was an update and it restarted. So Firefox 86, the latest version of Firefox with lots of security fixes. So it's important to just make sure that you are up to date. And this will enable you to stay safe, especially if this is your main browser you use all the time. It's important, and every browser should always be at the latest version. So once again, simply go into Firefox, upper right corner, Help, and About Firefox, and you'll be sent to the latest version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.